Hello children, welcome to today's class. Children, in our previous class, we had discussed about the page number 12, that means this page, and today we will go to the next page, and as you see here, it's written let's talk, right? Let's talk. That means this activity is based on a class discussion, and side by side we have to do a project also. So let's see what is written and what's the instruction here. The Maharaja was a wise man and ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them away. In our daily life, we used to throw the different waste material in our school as well as at our home also. So, but here you saw in the story, the Maharaja, he ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps and vegetable pits. Right? So in our daily life, the waste material that we throw at different places, it creates an environmental harm. It creates problems to our environment. So it's a good habit to make the reuse of the waste material as far as possible. Right? So the first question is, name some of the things which are thrown away at home or in school. So children, here we have to make a list of the waste material that we used to throw. Throw means फेंकना. यानी हमें एक लिस्ट बनानी है कि कौन कौन सा चीजें वेस्ट मटेरियल हम घर में और स्कूल में फेंकते हैं. Right? So name some of the things which are thrown away at home or in school. Children, you know very well what are the different things that we throw away at our home or in school. Right? For example, first we will discuss about the waste material that we throw at our home. You have a lot of idea in your mind. You can do it by yourself. Still, we will have a discussion here. For example, if we will think about our kitchen, we throw away the vegetable scraps. We throw away the empty packet, right? Or the pouch, right? Then we throw away the polythene bags. We throw away the different box, like for example, if we buy some sweets, then after using we throw that box. Likewise, we used to throw away the empty shoe box, then fuse bulbs, then socks. Okay. So likewise, if you will make a list, you will find different things that we throw at our home. Likewise, in school also, we throw the different waste materials, but as you know that under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we have promised not to throw away the waste material here and there. We have promised to keep our surrounding neat and clean and healthy. That's why you and we never throw away any waste material here and there. Instead, we throw away the waste material in the dustbin or in the proper place. So, likewise, children, in our school, we throw, for example, in our class, sometime we used to throw the pieces of paper or scrap paper, then pencil scraps, broken sharpener, broken pencil, then empty bottles. For example, if it is not usable, then we throw them. So many things. Okay. And then broken crayons. Likewise, we used to throw different things in our class dustbin. Likewise, during the lunch break, we used to throw away, though it's bad habit. Sometimes you people you throw the leftover food, right? So if you will make a list, you will find a lot of things that we throw away at our home as well as in our school, right? So under the first question, we have to make a list, correct? So children, we will go to the second question. Sit in groups of four and think of interesting ways in which we can sit in groups of four and think of interesting ways in which they can be made useful, right? So here actually it should be done in our classroom, but as you know, due to the lockdown we are unable to attend our regular classes. So no problem, you can talk to your friends through over phone also, and you can have a discussion regarding the ways of making different useful thing out of those waste materials. Even you can talk to your brothers and sister or father, mother, etc. Right? And you can get a solution. You can think of a process or ways of making the waste material useful. यानी इसमें हमें अपने दोस्तों से बात करके या अपने घर में अपने मम्मी पापा भाई बहन ये लोग से बात करके हमें तरीका ढूंढना है और उस तरीके के बारे में लिखना है कि किस तरीके से किस तरह से हम जो वेस्ट मटेरियल हम जो चीज़ें हम घर में और स्कूल में फेंक देते हैं वेस्ट मटेरियल सोच के उसे हम यूज़ कर पाएँ, उसे हम काम में लगा पाएँ, तो वो तरीका ढूंढना है। आप लोग जानते हो, आप लोग बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ में भी पार्टिसिपेट करते हो स्कूल में, जो कि जैसे कि बेस्ट फ्रॉम द वेस्ट, जो सीसी एक्टिविटीज़ में हम उसे बनाते हैं वेस्ट मटेरियल से अलग अलग बहुत सुंदर सुंदर चीज़ें आप बनाते हो और आप जानते भी हो। सो यू कैन डू इट इजीली दैट हाउ टू मेक reuse of the waste material. After preparing something useful out of those waste material, you can put up those things at your home for the time. As you know, during the lockdown, you are unable to attend our class, so you can put those things in your home, and you can just send the photos or you can send the videos through the Google Classroom, right? So this is all about the Let's Talk. Next we will see word building. It is written in pair work. Actually, it should be done in a pair. Pair means two. Okay, जोड़ी में इसको करना चाहिए था. But now you have to do by yourself, and I am there to help you. So, children, this part is very very important from your exam point of view. एग्ज़ाम में लगभग इसमें से 1-2 मार्क का क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो उसको समझने की आपको बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो लेट्स गो टू द क्वेश्चन. सम वर्ड्स हैव मोर देन वन मीनिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पॉइंट. Meanings are given. You can see here it is written noun. That means these are the meanings of the word point as a noun. Right? What are the meanings? A dot in print or writing, then full stop, decimal, the number you score in a game. These are the different meaning of the word point as a noun, and the meaning of the word point as verb is to show or call attention to something. ध्यान आकर्षित करना, कोई चीज के बारे में, कोई चीज को दिखाना. ठीक है. He is pointing at the door. My brother is pointing at his toys. Right? वो मेरा भाई अपने खिलौने की तरफ पॉइंट कर रहा है या दिखा रहा है. राइट? सो अगर नाउन के रूप में देखें, एक संज्ञा के रूप में देखें पॉइंट को, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाता है? एक डॉट, जैसे लिखने में या प्रिंट हुआ एक डॉट है. फुल स्टॉप, वो भी एक पॉइंट है. डेसिमल, इन मैथमेटिक्स वी used to use this type of symbol, decimal. Then the number you score in a game. कोई भी गेम में कितना पॉइंट हुआ, तुम्हारा कितना पॉइंट है. सो वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस लाइक दिस. सो ये जो नाउन का ये सारे मीनिंग किस रूप में? एक संज्ञा के रूप में, नाउन के रूप में. वर्ब के रूप में क्या मीनिंग हो गया? कोई चीज की तरफ उंगली दिखाना या कोई चीज की तरफ हमें दिखाना, ध्यान आकर्षित करना. राइट? So likewise, here there are some words given here. There are about 5 words are given here. We have to find their meaning, different meaning, as a noun or as a verb or as an adjective. Okay, and we have to write their meaning in the space given. Right? Okay. Look up the following words in the dictionary. They may have more than one meaning. List these meanings. ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि ग्राउंड, आपको पढ़ना भी सीखना है. ग्राउंड, सर्वे, स्क्रैप, sternly, then tempting. P will be silent, tempting. Okay, ground. ये स्टोरी में आपको जब हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे उसमें एक सेंटेंस आया था. द कुक ग्राउंड सम फ्रेश कोकोनट, ग्रीन चिलीज एंड गार्लिक. यानी कुक ने, यानी रसोइया ने कुछ फ्रेश कोकोनट, उसके बाद ग्रीन चिलीज और गार्लिक यानी लहसुन को वो ग्राइंड किया, यानी तीनों को पीसा. ग्राइंडिंग मीन्स टू क्रश समथिंग इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस. पीसना जिसको हम कहते हैं, ग्राइंड का ये पास्ट फॉर्म है, ग्राइंड, ग्राउंड. तो दिस इज द वर्ब फॉर्म ऑफ ग्राउंड. ये वर्ब के रूप में इसका मीनिंग हो गया ग्राइंड करना, पीसना. अगर इसको हम एक नाउन के रूप में देखें तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा? अ फील्ड, एन ओपन फील्ड. that means playground, or the surface of the earth. So these are the different meaning of ground. Ground as a noun and ground as a verb. Verb means kriya or action word, right? Likewise, you have to complete other words. What are their meanings? And you have to write their meanings in your notebook. For example, सर्वे का अगर नाउन के रूप में मीनिंग देखें तो उसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा? A short summary, राइट? नाउन के रूप में, जैसे कि कोई चीज़ सर्वे रिपोर्ट आता है, सो उसके बारे में एक रिपोर्ट आता है कि सर्वे रिपोर्ट आता है, जैसे कि पॉपुलेशन सर्वे होता है या लिटरेसी रेट के बारे में सर्वे होता है, राइट? अलग अलग चीज़ों के ऊपर सर्वे होता है. सो सर्वे को हम नाउन के रूप में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसी तरह वर्ब that means to look over carefully. The Maharaja entered into the kitchen to survey the dishes. मतलब एग्जामिन करने के लिए, उसको ध्यान से देखने के लिए, सर्वे करने के लिए, ठीक है, कोई भी चीज़ को ध्यान से देखना, परखना, उसको बोलते हैं सर्वे, राइट? सो these are the different meaning of survey, noun as a noun and as a verb. Likewise, scrap. The meaning of scrap as a noun is waste material, जो कि मतलब क्या बोलते हैं हम, कूड़ा, राइट? जिसका कोई यूज नहीं है, यानी यूज हम कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हम इसमें रीयूज हम पढ़ रहे हैं, बट वी यूज टू कॉल देम एज वेस्ट, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज स्क्रैप. ओके, लाइक वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप, राइट? सो स्क्रैप का दो मीनिंग हो गया. एक नाउन के हिसाब से हो गया आपका वेस्ट मटेरियल टू थ्रो, एंड एज अ वर्ब हो गया टू डिस्पोज और टू थ्रो द वेस्ट, मतलब फेंकना. जो कोई भी कूड़ा को फेंकना, उसको अगर हम देखें तो वर्ब के रूप में स्क्रैप का वर्ब वाला मीनिंग हो गया कूड़ा फेंकना, राइट? देन sternly, right? As a noun, the meaning will be strongly or strict. Actually, sternly यहाँ पर verb के रूप में यूज नहीं हो सकता, इसको adverb के रूप में यूज कर सकते हैं हम, right? The king commanded sternly. Commanded sternly. Likewise, जैसे कि adverb शायद आपको याद नहीं होगा, मैं आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ adverb होता क्या है. जो the word which defines the verb, how the action is being carried out. Okay, सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब हो रहा है, जो एक्शन चल रहा है, जो एक्टिविटी चल रहा है, वो किस तरह का हो रहा है, जो वर्ड ये डिफाइन करता है उसको कहते हैं हम एडवर्ब, व्हिच एड्स टू द वर्ब. ओके, ही इज रनिंग फास्ट, सो रनिंग इज द वर्ब. रनिंग इज द वर्ब, whereas fast is the adverb. Okay, so this is you can say sternly is adverb. Next word is tempting. Okay, next word is tempting. So the meaning of the word tempting as a noun is highly attractive, and the meaning of word as a verb is to invite or to attract. The tempting smell of the dish attracted me. Okay. So we can use it as a adjective also. As an adjective also we can use the word tempting, right? We can use the word as noun also, and as well as we can use the word as a verb. So with this we completed the page number 14.